to the shop, y'all. Today we are working with the RSV4. We've got a couple steps left so that we can get this thing back operational. Starting from back to front, we're gonna be reconditioning the exhaust system. I've got a couple of replacement pieces for the Bonamici Rearsets, and then we're gonna be updating or replacing the stock brake pump to a nice Brembo RCS piece, and that's gonna give us a little bit more feel as far as our front brakes. And then I've also got to dial in the clip-ons so that they're both in the correct position, as well as get the switchgear mounted up and stable. But yeah, once we get that done, we're pretty much there and we can start putting this bike back together. It already looks a lot more like a bike than we previously saw. So the rebuild is coming together. So let's get to it and yeah, get working on this thing. Okay, now that we've got the exhaust taken care of and refreshed, now it's time to move on to the rear sets here. So the cool thing about Bonamici Racing is that it's an entirely modular program. So if you damage something, like, you know, saw some damage here, super robust, by the way, but saw some damage. So basically, able to just go through, they have their parts diagrams on the website, so you can just go through, pick out exactly the pieces and parts that you need to order in order to make your rear sets, you know, just like new. Let's get some of these parts that I ordered from Bonamici Racing. Let's get them installed. All right, now that we've got a couple of pieces replaced, the rear sets are basically brand new. Okay, so that is the exhaust refreshed, the rear sets refreshed. I went ahead and hung a couple of the body panels just because we're getting it back together. The end is near. So lastly, we have to address the controls and the brake. Up here, this brake was, you know, a little worse for the wear. So we're going to be replacing with the nice Brembo piece, Brembo RCS 19. So that's going to be a nice little upgrade. But I'm out of time for today. So I'm actually going to pick this up tomorrow and we are going to get this project finished, get everything back together. Yeah, the boss says that it is time to go. So we're going to go ahead and get out of here for today. So see you tomorrow, and yes, getting this fixed, and yeah, hopefully this bike back together and we can take her for a rip.